Hi, and welcome to my extended video review. Today, we're going to have a little fun. I know there's been a lot of these, and I've seen probably 30 of them. But yes, this is my Mac. It's open. You'll notice that's the Sequoia. I've upgraded to the latest and greatest. And you'll also notice that I have the Chatgpt window open. So this is the desktop client for the Macintosh from OpenAI. It's pretty good, pretty solid. And what I thought we would talk about today is the solution or the feature set known as advanced voice. So basically, if you go up and down here, right, there's two options in the lower right corner. One is the microphone. If I click that, it will take the dictation. And if I click on this, it will bring up the advanced voice. Good morning, ChatGPT.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I am doing very well. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What's on your agenda today?
Well, I'd like to know your opinions on the Buffalo Bills Baltimore Ravens football game last night.
I don't have opinions, but I can tell you that it must have been an exciting game. Did you catch it?
In fact, I did.
Awesome. How did you find the game? Any standout moments for you?
Let's change the subject.
Sure thing. What would you like to talk about?
Can you give me a formula, mathematical, that would help me show the value of information gathered within an organization and later reconsumed and reused to solve problems?
Certainly. You can use a formula based on the concept of return on information. A simplified version might look like this. ROI is value of problems solved, cost of information divided by cost of information, where value of problems solved is the benefit or savings from using the information, includes gathering, storing, and managing the information. This formula can help quantify the value of information in an organization.
Perfect. So as you can see, and I'm going to turn the advanced voice off, and you literally just have to click the little X on the screen, and you go back to the standard ChatGPT, and then you'll notice as you go there is the actual formula that I asked for right there. ROI equals value of the problem solved, cost of the information, cost of the information. So very useful, drops it back into the chat so you can come back and look at it. You can also use it if you wanted to create an application. So you can literally ask it, create an application. You can tell it the programming language to use. You can tell it the code snip, right? And it'll generate code snippets and get you to a place where you can utilize the information. But overall, as you can see, it's very useful. I also like the fact that it's a nice little desktop edition. I have it in, you can see my Google is behind it. That's my YouTube channel. Working on submitting some stuff into YouTube today. But the thing that you'll notice is, right, it's resizable, it's easy to use. Now, this is the Macintosh desktop client, which is not the same as some of the other toolkits. I can also do the same thing on my iPhone and any other Apple device. And then I can also do the same thing using advanced voice on the PC, but that's a web page, right? I go to it's now chat.openai.com, but it used to be, you would go to ChatGPT, right? So it's not significantly different. The reality is you can literally go there, and interact, talk to the OpenAI system. And as you could see, the responses were very measured. And, other than the fact that it doesn't really have a real-time internet connection, right? It could not tell me anything directly about the game. It immediately flipped it to me and asked me a question about it. So it's a very valuable opportunity, very cool thing to play with. Advanced voice from OpenAI. Very, very cool in ChatGPT. Thank you so much. This is my advanced review.